Hey, what's up, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram? Just touching base with you guys. I've been working on my celica. Dropped the fuel tank out. I've been trying to film doing the process of dropping it, cleaning it, putting the new hoses on and stuff. So I've been working on that. So it's just a little quick update where I'm at. I got the tank here. The tank's all cleaned up, painted. I swapped out the strainer inside, redoing some of these old hoses on the outside, and I'll be getting ready to throw it back inside the car pretty soon. I'm waiting on a mount for the Walbro fuel pump, and I should be able to get this rolling.